All right, these are our 9-2 notes. We are going to talk about translations. When we were reflecting, we were just flipping a shape over. When we do translations, all we're doing is sliding, okay? So when we slide, we write it as XY, and then we add something to the X and we add something to the Y. We call that H when we talk about the horizontal shift. That's what we add to the X, and we use the letter K when we're talking about our up and down vertical. It'll make sense in 1 second. So the first thing we're going to look at is we need to go ahead and graph all of these shapes in 1 through 6. So go ahead and do that, and I'll do that. Okay, I'm going to start with 1 and 2, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways. The first way I'm going to show you mathematically. So I've graphed all these X's and Y's. Q, R, S, and T. So yours should match mine. Now we're going to slide it. And how much I slide it, it tells me right here. I'm going to add 5 to the X. And I'm going to add 7 to the Y. So let's look at this. I have a -6, 1. -6, I got to add 5. That gives me a -1. And then the -1, I got to add 7. -1, it's a 6. Okay, now I do it again with the next one. I have a -3 and I have a 1. So to the -3, I add 5. That's a 2. To the 1, I add 7. 8. All right, let's do the next one. I've got a 1 and a -5. To the 1, I add 5, because I'm just doing that. It's a 6. Oops, that's an ugly 6. And to the -5, I just add 7, which makes 2. And let's see. The last one, it's a -2, -7. So to the -2, I'm going to add 5. That gives me a 3. To the -7, I'm going to add 7. That gives me a 0. All right, so these are the new coordinates I have for my slide. So now I just graphed these. All right, so I slid my purple over to the red, and so that's my translation. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it, I'm going to show you in number 2, is to just count. So my X is a -3 and my Y is a +8. No problem. So I'm going to start at this point C. This means I'm going to go to the left because it's -3. So from point C, I go 1, 2, 3. +8 means I go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there is my C prime. So let me erase those marks. Okay, now I do the exact same thing from D. I'm going to go to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my D prime. Oops, sorry. And then my E prime, left 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is my E prime. So let me make this a little cleaner. Erase what I can. So now I have a new shape. Now we just write the points. So let's just look at the picture. C, it's -1, 7. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, +4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4. E, +1, 2. So I just looked at those points and wrote down what they are. So you can either do it mathematically or move it and then write them down, whichever way works better in your brain. Regardless, I need you to do number 3 and number 4 on your own, graph it, and then graph the new picture. Warning, number 3, it's going to be a little bit on top of each other. Like it'll be something like this, and then your new one will be like that, kind of. So don't worry, that's okay. All right, when you're done with 3 and 4, flip over to the next page. On this page, we're going to do the opposite of what we were doing. I have my original figure, we'll do it in purple, and I've slid up to this blue one. I can tell the original one because the second one has the little marks on it right here, so I know that's the second one. So I need to write my rule. X, Y, yields, translates to X something, Y something. I got to figure out what that something is. So I'm going to start at my purple D, and I want to get to my blue D. So first I go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I went over 7. So since I went to the right, I added 7, and now I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I go up 4. So that's all. So pick 2 points. It doesn't matter as long as you go D to D, E to E, or F to F. They all went to the right 7 and up 4. Let's do the same thing on number 8. Let's go ahead and write X, Y translates to X something, Y something. Okay. So let me color in my purple one. That's the pre-image where we started. And the blue is where we're trying to go. So I'm going to use the letter P. You use whatever letter you want. So first I got to go over. So if I start with the purple, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I went to the left, so I went -4. 1, 2, up 2, plus 2. Okay, I need you to flip over to page 3. And on this page, I need you to do number 5 and number 6. And it's just what I just showed you. Your original picture on both of these, this is the original, and this is the original.